So the bumper of this Camry 2011 got hit from behind on the driver's side, which is the left side, and it has started hanging. It seems like it has just dislodged from a few clamps. One is here, this one, this will go in, and from these other holes, and this is probably the main which was connected from here, and it has totally sheared off. So it seems there is a bolt here. Most likely it is going to be this 10 mm. So I'm going to loosen this, try to put it back in, slide it in from there, and then I will tighten it. Hopefully this should fix it. So since it requires both hands, let me try doing that and then I'll show you. So I have removed this bolt from in there, and it was going through this part which has sheared, and you can see the remainder in here. I think it should work without it also. I have slid that part of the bumper under there. These smaller hooks, I'm just pressing them in. These will also go in just like that, and the last step would be installing that bolt again. So let me do that part also. So this is how it looks after the repairs. As you can see, pretty decent. A few scratches are remaining, which I will try to buff. Thanks for watching.